video, we're going to discuss one of the coolest things, at least I think, in math, Benford's Law. So if you look at the Almanac, a book of scientific tables or financial statements, and you ask yourself, what fraction of the numbers in these books or its financial statements begin with, let's say, 1 through 4? And you would probably say 4/9, right? 44%. But that's not really how it goes. The fraction of numbers that should begin with 1 through 4 is really the log of n plus 1 by something called Benford's Law. Okay, so log base 10 of 5 is around 70%. Okay, and I've plotted these logarithms right here. So the fraction of numbers that should begin with 1 through 5 is about 78%. 1 through 6, 85%. You could win a lot of money betting on this. And we'll illustrate Benford's Law by looking at world populations from China's 1.3 billion to the Pitcairn Islands of 56 people. These are countries of the world. Pitcairn Islands, as you may know, was famous in the Mutiny and the Bounty trilogy. That's where the survivors of the Bounty resided after the tragedies of the HMS Bounty. Read the books if you don't know about it, or watch the great Oscar-winning movie. Okay, so I'm going to figure out what fraction of the country's populations is the first digit begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. A great example of how to combine things in Excel. How do I find the first digit of each of these numbers? I can use the left function, find the first character, and use value to make it a number. So I would say value, and I'd say left, comma 1. I need 2 bright parens to close that. So that's a 1. Double click and copy that down. I hope that went down to Pitcairn Islands. Yep. Okay, so Pitcairn Islands begins with 5. Okay, now I can just do a count if. Count if, how many in this range, $, begin with this. And then I should divide by how many there are, or I could just count how many numbers right there. And I guess I need to $sign that. Okay, so we get the fraction of numbers that countries whose population begins with 1 is 28%, 2 16%, and I've done the cumulative fraction here. Okay, 1 through 4 is 27 plus 16, that's 43, 57, 65, and you add the fractions, you get 67% of the populations of the world begin with a 1 through 4. That's very close to what the Benford's Law said. And if you look, the agreement here is just amazing. So in column N, we have the actual fraction beginning with 1 through 4. And in column M, we have the theoretical fraction, and it's right on. We could do this with populations of U.S. cities. If I had a bunch of financial statements, we could do that. And so in financial statements, if you think somebody's faking numbers in a financial statement, then basically you should look at all the numbers, and basically around 70% of them should begin with 1 through 4. If it's like 45% or 50%, probably something is wrong. But this is a great application, again, of the text functions in Excel, along with the COUNTIF, to demonstrate Benford's Law, which I think is one of the coolest things going in mathematics.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his Marketing Analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytic Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.